Hi everybody, thank you for attending these tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show it to you about our Fort Digital's SMS web-based systems. All right. So these SMS web-based systems is among the four communication tools that we have, which is the SMS web-based system, which is in this video I will show it to you. We also have the SMS hardware system, then the WhatsApp web-based system, as well as the WhatsApp desktop software system. So these are the four communication tools that you can use. Depends on what kind of message you are sending and your budgets. All right. For these SMS web-based systems, all right. So this is the most professional SMS systems that are used by all corporations, banks, government sectors, anybody, because SMS is still the only tools that you can reach anybody, regardless of their telcos, regardless of their phone models, regardless of their countries and telco providers. All right. So that means you can use SMS for all kind of purpose. Whether you're going to send for marketing or promotionals, notification, reminders, OTP, it's up to you. SMS is a free text, all right? So, and this web-based system is a professional system that allow you to send up to 200,000 SMS per hour. So it's incredible fast for you to do the broadcasting, all right? And it will show your company name as a sender ID. However, in Singapore, you need to register the sender ID with the government through the IMDA. And so SMS, the good news about SMS is, well, the recipient unable to click, block, and report like the WhatsApp, and the cost is very reasonable. It's below 5 cents in Singapore, and even lower for other countries. So save times. I'm going to show it to you how is this web-based system works. All right. So you just to log into our this SMS portal, you just go to the fortdigital.com.sg and you just click log into the SMS and WhatsApp portals. All right. So you log in using the account that you set up with us. You can set up yourself as well online. Now, once you log in, the very first thing you can see here on the left menu, you can see there is a WhatsApp portions and there is a SMS portions. All right. Now, so let's talk about the SMS in this video. The very first thing is you need to do is security, right? This is very, very important, all right? So make sure that you secure this SMS account before you start to use it. So you go to the settings and you can change the password if you want to. That's the first thing. Change your default password. The second thing is to turn on the 2FA login. This is very important, right? Do not trust the password, username and password alone. So what you need to do is you just download this Google Authenticators app, and you just need to turn on. You just click enable, and you just use the QR code. You just use the Google Authenticator app to scan the QR code here, and that's it. So your Google Authenticator apps will generate the OTP. So every time when you log in, it will ask for the OTP. So you have to key in from your apps, and that's it. So this is how you protect your accounts. Another security settings that is important, if you want, this is optional, this is another one to protect access. You can set certain IP that able to access these web portals or the API. So you can key in, for example, your office or your server's IP address, and you click save. So that means only from this IP able to log into your account as well as the API access. This is the best protections among all. So, however, it's a bit inconvenience. You might not able to access from outside of this IP. The second protection is to make sure that if you use the API integrations, so you can set which country your API able to send the SMS to. You can put in the key in the country code here and click save. That means the API only able to send to 65, which is Singapore, and 60, which is Malaysia. So your account will not, your credits will not be drained so easily if someone hack your account. This is optional protections. Another protection is the API daily send quota. So you can set how many SMS your API able to send out per day. All right, so you can set the quota here, and you can click save or you can reset it. So this is another optional security settings, all right, to protect your account. So if somebody hack your account, at least they're unable to send, they're unable to drain all your credits, all right, because there is a quota here, all right. And if you don't use the API at all, you just send through these web portals, you can just simply turn it off and click save. So we suggest you turn off the API if you don't use the API integrations. So for those who don't know what is API, basically is for you to integrate these SMS services directly into your own applications. So your application able to generate the SMS automatically, like OTP, right? Login, reset a password, reservation booking, where your application able to send the SMS out automatically. So this is the security settings. All right, so let's go to the SMS portions. You can check out another videos on the WhatsApp as well as the 4 communication tools that we have. We have video for each of the services here. So please check out another videos. Right now, so I'm going to show it to you how this SMS system works, right? Now, once you log in, you can see here on the left menu, there is a couple of way of sendings. There is a quick send, upload send, and normal send. I'm going to cover all of these, all right? It depends on how you're going to send, all right? But the best way of sending is quick sends, all right? So SMS quick sends basically is the fastest way of sending of SMS. You can send one SMS or you can send 200,000 SMS at one time go. This is a professional systems. That means you can send as many as you want, all right? Now you can see here, there's a balance here to tell you how many SMS credits that you have. You can contact us if you want to top up your credits, all right? And this is the sender ID, all right? So this sender ID, you need to register with the government IMDA. So once it's approved and it's live, so you have to update us, and then we will hard-coded this sender ID into your account. So every time when you send the SMS, you can select the sender ID that you want to use, all right? Now, so for examples, here is FDSG as a sender ID. Now, so this quick send is the fastest way of sending without you have to import a single database at all. So just simply copy and paste. Let me show it to you. So you just come to this box where you can just simply copy and paste all the mobile numbers. All right. So examples, you have a 1,000 or 100,000 of contacts. You just highlight all the numbers from your Excel, CSV, text file. Just copy and just simply paste. That's all. So you don't need to worry about things like space, brackets, all the symbols. All right. So you don't even have to worry about duplicates numbers. Examples here, I'm going to put a lot of same numbers. As you can see here, there's a lot of same numbers, a lot of mistake here on this box. So you just copy and paste and you just click these buttons. This system will help you to clean up a lot of things. First, they will clean up duplicates numbers. So as you can see here, I got 61 numbers here, 61 lines. All right, so once you add your final list, they will clean up all the duplicates numbers. They will only takes the unique numbers. The second thing is they will clean up for you all the symbols, alphabets, and so there will be just numeric numbers. The third, they will automatically add for you the country code. So if your account default country code is +65, it will automatically +65, and it will remove 0 if any in front of the numbers. All right. So you just copy and paste, just click add to final list, and done. That's all. As you can see here, it will clean up for you. So for 61 lines, 61 numbers in the raw data here on the left box, it becomes just 35 numbers, where it clean up all the duplicates, it clean up all the symbols and alphabets, and it will add automatically the country code as well. That simple. It will save you tons of time to clean up your database, your numbers, right? You can copy out, you can click here. So to copy out all these cleanup numbers, then you can paste into your notepad or Excel, right? Now, so that's all. So you just copy and paste it to final list, and below you can key in the whatever message that you want to send. All right. So SMS is a free text. Now, while you are typing, you can see here there is a counter here to tell you how long is your message. All right. To make sure that you check how long is the message. So it's whether it's within 160 characters or it's already exceed 2 message long. If, as you can see here, it's already exceed 160 characters, and now it's sending 2 credits. So if you're sending like 35 contacts with 2 credits, you will consume 70 SMS credits. So you have to make sure that you check here, and you also make sure that it is standard, because if it's Unicode, then you need to delete away some of the symbols, especially if you are, for example, you're using Microsoft Office, all right, Microsoft Words, to just copy and paste. For example, you just copy and paste this message, or you have the message with the apostrophe. You just copy and you just paste here. All right, it's still standard. All right, so it's still good. Now, examples, you have the apostrophe here. As you can see here, I just copy and I just paste it here. Now you can see here. So the apostrophe from the Microsoft Words is not a GSM standard, so it will consider as Unicode. So Unicode is considered the characters for those like Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, Thais, right? Where one SMS long is only 70 characters, so it's not 160 characters, right? So you have to go find out the mistake, and you have to go delete away. As you can see here, all right. So from 3 message, it becomes 2 message. So once again, you have to make sure that it's not Unicode. If not, you are paying quite a lot of SMS. All right. So you can see here, if I delete up to below 160 characters, it's still considered 3 messages long, because this is a Unicode message. So once I delete away, it becomes just 1 credit. So do not waste your credits. To make sure that before you send, you always check how many SMS is consumed. So that's all. You just copy and paste, just click send. That simple. All right. So I'm going to try to send to 2 contacts here. This is just examples. Add to final list. All right. And you can select the template as well. All right. So you can create the template to speed up your job. You can just select the template. All right. Okay. You can create the template here, the SMS template on the left menu, and you just click send. Done. That simple. And you can see your credit is being deducted. All right. Now, so after you broadcast, after you send, you can just go to the send log and status. So this is where you're going to check the status. All right. Now, as you can see here, you can see the status here. Success. Message received on the handset. All right. So this status will change from time to time. All right. Okay. Now, so all of this you can basically download the reports. You can see from the last 50 jobs in the table here, or you can just simply download the last 1 hour, the last 3 hours, this month, this whole month, or last month. So just click export, and you can see. So from this report, you can see the status. You can see the the content of the message, as well as you can see how many credits is consumed. So everything is here. So this log is very important for you to check who received and who have not received. So if they already received, you will see the status like this: success, message received on the handset. Accepted, that's mean they haven't received yet for whatever reasons. All right, they might not out of the signals. They might be uh, turn off the phones, or they just outstation. They don't have the roamings. All right, so this status might change shortly. All right, once they receive the message. So if I refresh the message again, you can see here it's success message received on the handset. That means it's already received. All right, so this is the reports. Right, so that's all. So this is the best and the fastest way of sending. Quick send is the best because you no need to save any contacts. You no need to create the address book here. You just simply copy and paste. And copy and paste means you copy from the latest database. You always use the latest database. So it's fast, it's safe, and it's secure. So please make use of the quick send if you are sending a generic message. So if everybody receives the same content, just use the quick sends. That's the fastest and the most secure way. Now, I'm going to show it to you right now about the upload send A and the normal sends. Now, you're going to use these functions only if you're going to personalize the content of the message. Now, for examples, right, sometimes you need to send a message where, well, you need to personalize the content. For examples, you're going to address them with the name, Dear Mike. These examples, Dear Benjamin, Dear Olivia, Dear Ethan. All right, so and then followed by whatever things that you want to personalize. For example, the points, the outstanding amounts. All right, so to do that, you have to use the upload send or the normal sends. Now, let me show it to you the upload send here. So upload send, there is a video here. You can refer to the YouTube here, or you can download the sample file here. So you just need to upload a file, a CSV file. I'm going to click here. Okay, I'm going to open it up. So this is a sample files. As you can see here, there's only two columns that you need to prepare. The column A is a mobile number, column B is a final message. That's all. So you just prepare the CSV file in this format. The column A, mobile number, column B is a content. So the system will send to this number using this message, this number, this message, this number, this message, and so on and so forth. All right. So how you're going to personalize this message? All right. Okay. There's another video here. You can learn from the video how you're going to personalize in your Excels. All right. So you can refer to that video. All right. So you just prepare the file like this. All right. Okay. Then you just simply browse the file. All right. Just click submit, and they will give you all the summary, how many numbers. All right, okay, so if everything is good, then you click send. That simple. All right, if not, then you cancel the jobs. All right, now, so as you can see here, there's a campaign numbers. This one is optional, the same like the quick send. The quick send also have the campaign numbers. This is your own internal campaign numbers. You can put any campaign numbers to remind you. All right, it will be reflected in the report as well for you to track. All right. Now, okay, right now we're going to talk about the schedule SMS. All right, so you can set a schedules your jobs. If you do not want to send it right now, you can schedule it. It's up to you. Tomorrow, the next day, the next month. All right, even the next hours. All right. So both these quick send, upload send, and the normal send, all of these have the schedule SMS. So I'm going to show it to you. So we're going to use the quick sends. All right, so I'm going to, let's say I want to send this job tomorrow 7 at 10 o'clock. Okay, so it's 7th of February 10 o'clock. I will set it here, and the same, I just copy and paste. So let's say I'm going to copy and paste 10 numbers here, and I add to final list. All right, then I key in the message, or I just simply select the templates, and then I click send. Now, as you can see here, all right, so once I click send, the job will not be sent out right now. Instead, it will went to the scheduled jobs here. Now, this is all the pending jobs, right? So the job will not be sent out, and it will automatically send out tomorrow at 7, right? At this 10 a.m. So you do not have to log into these portals. You do not have to turn on your computers, right? It will automatically send out by itself. Okay. Now, so if you want to delete the schedules, you find it's wrong, you did something wrong, you just delete all, and your credits will be returned back to you. All right. Now, so this is the scheduled jobs. All right. So in the upload send, you can find the scheduled SMS as well. Now, let's talk about the normal send right now. So normal send is for you to send an SMS to the address book that you created in this website. So here there's an address book here. You can see there's an address book called, there's a groups and contacts. You can create whatever groups and whatever contacts here. So to save the groups and the contacts here, so next time you do not have to copy and paste. You just select the groups that you created before. So let's do a demo here. So you just go to the groups. So you have to create at least one group first. All right. Let's say I'm going to create a group called Adidas. This is just examples. You select it's private or public. If private is for yourself, the main users, or public, you can share with your sub users. I'm going to share with you about the sub users later on. So you can create up to 5 sub users for the staff to send, and you can top up the credits. You can cut your credits to the sub users, right? So I'm going to create a group called Adidas. I just click save. Done. As you can see here, I can have a group called Adidas, and there are there is zero members here. All right. So I'm going to the address book again. I'm going to go to the contacts, and I'm going to import. So importing is also the same through the copy and paste. So you select the group that you want to import to, the mobile numbers. So you just simply copy and paste from your database. This is just examples. Going to copy 30 numbers here, and this is the name. This is just examples. Going to copy the name, and this is additional variables. For examples, the credits or whatever's outstanding amounts, whatever you want to put. All right. Now, so that's all. So you just select the group and you just copy and paste all the variables, all the names and the mobile numbers, and then you just click add to final list. As you can see here, the system will help you to mail merge. All right. You can check if there's no mistake. You just click save. Done. So now, if you go to the groups, you can see here there is a 30 members inside the group of Adidas. So now I'm going to send the SMS. I'm going to use a normal send right now. So in the normal send, the procedure is almost the same. However, here you can search for the group that you created on the right box here. So you just search for the group Adidas. As you can see here, there's a group come out. You just double click. That's all. You can select another group if you want to. Then you just click add to final list again, and it will come up with all the groups, all the contacts under this group. All right. Then you click next, and you can see here you can personalize the content right now here. As you know that just now when I do the import, I import the name as well as the additional fields. So right now I'm going to send the SMS. I will type like this, dear, then I insert the name fields. All right. Your latest point is, so I'm going to insert variable 1. All right. And that's all. This is just examples. So this is personalized SMS. I'm going to personalize the name as well as the variable 1. So I'm going to click next. Now, you do not have to worry that it will be sent out immediately. All right. So there might be a mistake in the merging. Do not worry for this normal send. So once I click submit, it will not be sent out immediately. Instead, it will go to the outbox. So I click submit jobs to outbox. As you can see here, these are the pending SMS. So here on the left menu, you can see here there is a normal send outbox. So these are the jobs that is not just sent out, but is being prepared. As you can see here, these are all the merged the mail merge. This is the merge data, and you have to check. You have to check the name, the points, and you match with the mobile numbers, all right, to make sure that well, everything is correct. So once everything is correct, you can click send all message now here. So once you click, then it will broadcast out to all of this. So the normal send, all right, so it's allow you to check to vet all the SMS before it's sent out. So if you don't like it, if there's a mistake, you can just click delete everything and you can redo again. All right, so that's all. So these are the three ways of sending the SMS. There's a quick send, the upload send, and the normal send. The normal send have the normal send outbox. The scheduled jobs is other all the jobs that is pending sending. We're waiting for the date and the time that you set. The send logs are uh, all the SMS reports and the logs after you send out. You can always download. All right, and the SMS template is for you to create a template to speed up the sending. And the API SMS, these are all the API instruction for you to integrate these SMS services into your own application or software. You can learn from here. So it's a super easy API integrations. You can integrate into all kind of programming softwares. All right. So this is the API, and I'm going to show it to you about these unsubscribe lists. These are a very powerful, there's a very useful functions. It will help you to filter out unwanted numbers before you send. So you just go to the unsub or blacklist contacts, all right. So you can just simply copy and paste again into this box, all right. Okay, all right. I'm going to show it to you examples. I'm going to copy and paste this like for example these two numbers here, okay, and if you want to put the names, up to you. If no, it's okay. All right, you just click add to finalist and then you save. Done. Now as you can see here, these are all the unsub or blacklist numbers. These are the unwanted numbers that you do not want to send in the futures. So every time before you send a message, examples, I'm going to use the quick send right now. I'm going to just simply copy and paste all the numbers. I add to the final list. As you can see here, there are 9 numbers here. I'm going to, before I send, I click these buttons, filter against unsubscribe. So once I click, as you can see here, it will filter out all the numbers from the inside the unsubscribe list. So it's left only 7 here. So it saves you tons of times to filter out or to clean up your database. Alright, so this is a very powerful functions, right? So the unsub and the blacklist numbers. Another functions I'm going to share with you is the sub users. Alright, so you can create up to 5 sub users here, and then you can cut your own SMS credits to your sub users. So this is another way of controlling the usage. All right, I don't recommend everybody sharing one single account because it will be very difficult to track, to trace who is sending what. All right, so you can create, you just go to the user management and you can create a sub user, just key in the username and password that you like, and then you just click save. All right, that's all. So they're going to log in to the DSM Berry portals using the username and password that you created. Now, after you created the account, you can top up the credits. You just click at these sub users examples, and you just click create. And as you can see, this is your credits for the main account, and this is the credits for the sub account. I can just top up, let's say 5 credits, save. You will deduct your main account 5 credit, you will add 5 credits to the sub account. So every time the sub accounts run out of credits, they have to go back to you. So they can't go back to 4 digitals because the 4 digitals we only top up for you the main account credits. All right. So that's all basically. So this is the professionals SMS web-based systems. All right. Contact us, and we will create an account for you, and we will top up your credits. All right. So thank you for your attendance to these tutorials, and make sure that you check our website for other services as well. And and make sure that you check the rest of other communication tools that we have. So beside the SMS web-based system that I showed to you just now, we also have the SMS hardware systems, and we have the WhatsApp web-based systems, and we have the WhatsApp desktop software systems. All right, so check out for other videos. All right, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.